Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Bulk Order Delete. In this tutorial, I will show you how the store owner can delete the orders and related information like invoice, credit slip, payment history, cart, etc. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. If this field is enabled, then the entire order will be deleted. If this field is disabled and all these fields are enabled, then these details will be deleted from an order. If this field is enabled, then the order details or order with a different order ID of the same reference number will be deleted. Orders with statuses selected by admin here will be deleted. From here, admin can enable or disable the PrestaShop bulk order delete module. After the installation of the module, a delete button gets added for each order, by clicking on which admin can delete the orders or details related to it. If admin has enabled delete order in the configuration settings, then an entire order will be deleted by clicking on delete button. We can see here that order ID 11 has been deleted. Admin can also delete multiple orders at once. Admin can select the orders that he wants to delete and click on delete selected button. If enabled delete cart from an order but disabled the delete order, then the cart details will be deleted from an order by clicking on delete button. Suppose admin wants to delete the cart details of an order ID 10. Now go to shopping carts tab. We can see here that the cart details of order ID 10 are not visible as it has been deleted by admin. Similarly, admin can delete invoice, delivery slip, payment history and messages from the order. Suppose admin wants to delete the order details of order ID 7. On clicking the delete button, invoice, delivery slip, payment history, and messages will be deleted from an order.